Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Technology Channel World. My name is Asiraj and today we're going to see a quite interesting video. In this video, we're going to see 5 interesting tips and tricks that you can do on any Windows laptop screen. So that's what we're going to see clearly in this video. So now, without any further delay, let's get into our video. So guys, the first one is the wallpaper guys. Now we're going to see how to change the wallpaper on our Windows desktop guys. So guys, to do this, first right click. After right clicking, click on the option personalize down below. After that, you'll get into a new home page. So guys, now you can see some image manually found in Windows desktop guys. So you could choose those images too. So now I'm clicking on this image guys. So this image I've already added in this guys. So this image I have added. So guys, you could also browse images from your files guys. So guys, see, this is how we do it. So I've added browsed the image and adding it over here guys. So guys, now we have seen how to add wallpaper on our desktop screen guys. The second one is the icon size guys. So guys, now we're going to see how to change the icon size. So guys, it's very simple. So first right click. After right clicking, click on the option view above. So after clicking on it, you could see 3 options: small, medium, large. So guys, first I've clicked on small guys. See, you could see all the icons are small now. So again, I'm doing the same thing and keeping it to medium. So guys, see, now the icons are medium. So now I've kept it into large. See guys, you could see the big icons. So guys, this is how we change the icon size guys. So guys, the third one is the hide icons guys. So guys, now we are going to see how to hide the icons on the desktop screen. So to hide, first right click. After right clicking, you could see your option view. So after clicking on view, you could see option show desktop icon. So just click on that. So guys, now you could see all the desktop icons has been disappeared. And again, if you want the icons to be visible, just right click. So guys, again, if you want the icon, just click on view and again click on show desktop icon. So guys, see, now the icons are visible. So guys, the fourth one is the screenshot guys. Now we're going to see how to take screenshot on the desktop guys. So guys, to do this, first we have to click on the left side bottom search bar. After clicking on that, we have to type snipping tool. So let me spell it: SNIPPINGTOOL, snipping tool. So after clicking on it, you will get a box type of structure, floating box type structure. So guys, now click at new. So guys, this is how we take screenshot guys. To save this, click on file and click on save as. So guys, you could name this also too guys. So name the image. So after, now go to photos and check whether the image has been saved or not. So let me show you the image guys. So guys, see, this has been saved in our file manager. So guys, this is how we take screenshot guys. Last but not the least, the fifth one, app mode guys. So guys, to do this, first right click on your device. After right clicking, click on the personalize option. So after clicking on that, you could see your option colors, the second option below background. So after clicking on that, when you scroll that, you could see down below, you could see choose your default app mode. So now I've clicked on dark. If you click on dark, it will be dark. If you click on light, it will be light guys. So guys, this is how we change the app mode on the screen guys. Now you have seen 5 basic interesting tricks and tips that we can do on any Windows laptop screen. And if you have not followed me in Instagram, link will be linked in the description down below. Click and follow me. And guys, please comment in the comment box what type of tech videos do you want us to upload, and we can know your thoughts too. So that's all guys. Hope you would have enjoyed this video, and if you have really enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Technology Channel World, and also turn on notifications down below so that you'll miss any of our upcoming video. See you in the next video. Only then, bye for Asiraj. Bye.